Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working on the BMW and we got an annoying light that says that we have a bad bulb somewhere on the car. So when I start the car, every time I get the message on the dash. And let me show you now. If I click here to select check control and click BC, I can check all my messages. And the second one is for a bulb. Now, if you do not have the iDrive screen, it's hard to tell which bulb it is, so you have to go around, look, have somebody press the brake pad or check all the turn signals, but ours says left rear turn signal malfunction. So in today's video guys, we'll show you how to fix that. Also guys, we'll be constantly uploading videos on that BMW. Probably will have more than 200 videos, electrical videos in the future, so please subscribe, and if you need help with anything, drop a comment and we'll try to make a video for that problem. So let me show you what you need to do. First thing, turn the car off. Okay, pull the key out, but let me show you how the bulb doesn't work first. So if it's on a turn signal now, you can notice the light. Okay, check out the light now, how fast it's blinking. It shouldn't be that way, it should be like this one here. So let's go ahead and replace it. Turn the key off, turn the engine off, and wagon and sedan, the procedure should be about the same. E90 E91. So we'll go ahead, open the trunk. Since ours is on the left side, okay, we need to remove that cover out of the way a little bit. And now that cover, you just remove it as well. Now right here, you can see that's where your bulbs are located. So there is one thing that you press down and pull straight out. Now, let me explain which bulb is for what. Okay, that's the piece that we press down to pull the bulbs out. The bottom bulbs are for brake lights. Middle bulb is for tail lights. Top bulb is for turn signals. So you can see how those are pretty hot because we were holding the brake. Okay, and now, okay, this is the turn signal bulb right here. Okay, and you can see inside how that thing is burnt. So I'm going to go ahead, put a new bulb now. The bottom ones are for brake lights again. Okay, and we're going to place it in. Okay, and you do that just, okay, get in the hose gently, push in until it locks in place. Now we need to install our cover, and I'm going to go ahead, start the car, okay, to see if the turn signals are working now. Okay, let's do that quick. Okay, we're in the vehicle now. Okay, and you can see left turn signal works. Now we have one more light bulb that we need to replace, and this is the left brake lamp malfunction. Okay, so one of the brake lights is not working as well, and you could have seen that it was kind of like brownish looking light. So now we're going to have a video how to replace the brake light as well. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.